So what's popping, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial how you can prepare for the Abstract airdrop, and we're going to talk about a few things. So if you don't know yet, Abstract, this is the L2 on Ethereum, and essentially this is going to be a blockchain for consumer crypto. So you can only imagine probably it's going to be a very low cost if we talk about transactions. If you remember, a couple months ago there was a project called Frame, and they all got acquired by Igloo, which is the company behind Abstract, Pudgy Penguins, and Overpass IP. Frame allocated at the time a ton of tokens, but they got acquired. So I expect that Abstract might potentially do an airdrop in the future for those that qualify for the Frame airdrop as well. So it's going to be nice to me if that's going to happen. And that was basically based on your NFT volume from 2021, 2022. So the more volume you did, the more tokens, the more Frame tokens you got allocated at the time. So it's not clearly stated that the airdrop will happen for those that qualify for the Frame airdrop, but I'm just speculating that this might be one of the criteria. In terms of airdrop, what you want to do, you want to go to the abs.xyz website. I'm going to link everything down below. So basically, first thing you want to do, you want to join the waitlist, you want to put your email. The next thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and you want to request some faucet tokens. So this is going to be entirely free. You just need to use testnet tokens on Sepolia. So put your wallet address in here and you're going to get 0.1 ETH. So the next thing you want to do, you want to go to the docs. I'm going to link it down below, and you want to go ahead and click on the connect wallet. So that will basically allow you to add your chain to your MetaMask wallet. Then you want to go ahead and click on the bridge tab, and it's going to open up this window. So once you're going to have some funds in your wallet, basically you're going to request your Sepolia tokens, and you're going to see that you can bridge your assets from Sepolia to Abstract. So once you're going to have that, you can see that I have already some assets in my wallet. You can see I have 0.2 ETH, and right now you can only send it somewhere else. So if you have another wallet, you can try it out and send from one wallet to another one. And that's pretty much everything what you can do on testnet right now. The other thing you can do, you can go to Abstract Deform, and here you have a simple quest. Like for example, you can connect your Twitter, you can like, you can repost some other things, you can follow and share. So for all of these, you're gonna get some certain amount of points. And also really important, you can see you can mint Abstract Deform NFT. So you can connect your wallet and mint this NFT, which is, I think, is going to be crucial because you're gonna have one transaction on Abstract. Then you can go ahead and you can go to layer 3, you can complete this quest just in case. And the another one, what you want to do, you want to go to Galaxy page, and here you have 3 quests that you can do, 2 actually, because this one ended. So make sure you guys do everything, and maybe for some of them you're gonna be able to claim some other NFTs as well. And last but not least, you can go ahead and join Abstract Discord. So in here you can see, if you're gonna go over to Discord, if I'm gonna say GM, you have different roles where you can rank up. So maybe some of these roles, they're gonna give you a certain allocation when you're gonna have, let's say, VIP role. You can see I have only the basic one, which is Abs Chat. But if you're gonna go to rank up, you can see the requirements, what you have to do to rank up basically in the leaderboard, in the role leaderboard. So that's pretty much everything what you need to know about Abstract right now. And if you want to know more about how you can actually qualify for big allocation, because Igloo is the company behind and sub-organization of Pudgy Penguins. So Pudgy Penguins are the part of the organization. So if you are collecting NFTs, or maybe if you have some already, so I expect they're gonna get a huge amount of tokens as well. So if you have some of these, they're probably going to be rewarded once the airdrop will happen. And the other one is Lil Pudgies. So somehow they are connected, so maybe these 2 collections, they're gonna get a token allocation. So who knows? That's, I think, pretty much what you need to know right now. There's no mainnet, there's only testnet, and that's all what you can do. There are a few upcoming Abstract projects that are coming in the future, so I'm gonna cover these ones in a future videos. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you can let me know in the comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.